Hey guys, welcome to Me Paintings. I'm Veronica and tonight I will be trying to make some nice sunset inspired pour from lovely colors like dark blue, light blue, teal, purple and some salmon color. I'm gonna show you all my colors. My dark blue is this one. Dark blue. Then I'll be using this turquoise blue, also this lovely light teal which is called pale turquoise blue, this one, and then I'll be using my violet color mixed with a little bit of white, and then I mixed some lovely salmon color from these two colors, from this genuine deep orange and rose, I don't know if and it's these colors. And I already have got my white coat in here, and I mixed my colors with pouring medium. I mix half part of pouring medium and half part of acrylic colors, and I make my own pouring medium from glue and water. I use 60% of glue and 40% of water. And I also put 2 drops of silicone, this one, in each color, but not in my white. My white doesn't have any silicone in, so you can see I already have got my white on my canvas, and now I will be trying to make something a little bit different. You can already see the shape of my canvas, so now I'm gonna try to pour my colors here and then stick it into my white canvas, and hopefully it will create something interesting. So let's start. I will probably paint a line here when I'm finished. So I will firstly pour my dark blue line where I want to have my horizon in here. It doesn't matter, it's not the perfect line. It's like painting on this piece of plastic. Yep. So now I will pour my pale violet, and I will have my reflections in here. So I want to make some nice reflections like this. And then my pale teal. Like that. My lovely turquoise blue. I know it looks like a mess now, but I think it should create some lovely paintings. And this is my salmon, lovely salmon color, which I'll put probably here, a little bit here, and I'll mix it like that with my colors. And maybe a little bit of my purple in here as well. Always on both sides. Oops. And then a little bit of this dark blue on the edges. I want to have some nice contrast on the edges. A little bit all around here. Some nice, and maybe few drops of white just like this, but I already have got my white on my canvas, so it should be all right. Like that, and let's try to stick it I have to be quiet tonight because my kids are sleeping in the next bedroom. So let's stick it in here and see what happens. I hope something nice will happen. So first part, here we come. And second part, like this. Oh no. Oh, I need a second pair of hands. But let's see. Okie dokie, that's not exactly how I imagine it. Okay, let's put more white in there. And the salmon is too much. So let's put more white in here and let's try it again. Let's try to stick it there again. Mix it up a little bit. Yeah, that salmon, that doesn't really match. So let's mix those colors. And we'll try to stick it there again. And hopefully it will be more successful this time. And I'm also trying to make a second attempt in this. My sunset in here, in the middle. And we'll see what happens. My second canvas is here, and I don't have any color on this one. I will just stick it in there. Let's give it a try and see what happens. My little experiment. Let's start from the bottom. Oh, that's more interesting than the first one. You need to cover some parts, but that's definitely something cool. Yeah, I didn't have enough colors in there, but it's okay. I can cover these parts with my hands, and look at that. Oh, this will be another perfect base for my landscape night scene with some lake and trees. I'm just sticking my edges in the leftover colors so everything is covered nicely. Yeah, that's it. That's my second attempt, so I'm gonna let it dry and show you the result. Hey guys, my painting is dry and look at the contrast in this painting. I love it. I love how this turned out. I love how it dried, and I think it's a perfect base for my beautiful abstract lake with trees and beautiful light coming out from here. So I'm gonna use a few of my palette knives which I have here, and I'm gonna try to paint some beautiful landscape with lake and trees. So enjoy. So here's my finished lake with magical trees and amazing sky. I hope I inspired you to create your own beautiful art. As you can see, you can create absolutely anything out of your pour, and you can embellish it however you want and create a beautiful, unique piece of art. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, or you can also hit the bell so you can see all of my new videos, or subscribe to my channel where you can see many more interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye!